Maisie's dish. She walked away from it. But these two really like it. Maisie says with a little Vet's Best on it, I'll try it. Jenny's still working on hers. Queen Eva cleaned her dish. Jenny, you want a little help? Queen Eva, you left a couple of drops. Here, you can have some of that too. Maisie licked it clean with the Vet's Best on it.